when the penny will fear. Make us some nonsense. What's that question on Facebook? Ekata. Intibuano. Now, over to the Bama.
Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. So, subscribe to the channel now. Make sure subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification. So, anytime you post any video, you get it straight. Go Instagram and follow your Poleeno_com. Now, saying it is issues be started from Tracey Boakye and Miss Bell and them, actress and musician. And chair and PM Tracey and Kani Gloria. If you are Schwarzenegger, so yes, or the home gym, and some no I be brave. Until Monday, no, and Honorable Kennedy, agyapong, so and nano ever tomb in the ma and some no a be brave na Tracey Boakye, a bra Honorable Kennedy, agyapong, live on the TV, so no Tracey Boakye so called live on Facebook, echo car and send be say Honorable say our video be and as audio be about or no Tracey any former president JMA on Famra Bonte. Video reply na actress Tracey Boakye edema honorable no and emisa no pay onye bi ahwa wako interviewer obi bi nsem nani so no ye bompa ye say yi ebeto yi na asundwe ebeba na enkofa watwi bi anyere emma oman video no and say honorable Kennedy Japan sem na to aso
Bahama any NBC from fan channel da me kan okura na channel so wonimuna am say when the penny will fear make us some nonsense what's that question on Facebook ekata intibuano na obetu no bema
Honorable Ken sa dey inti be affect former president Mahama ewo election yi mu
very obana hanu ankasa wa hanu ankasa ni o say case no cry the third woman Kani Gloria was the one. On the first, between Miss Bell and this, what lay speculation. Will be the crochet some Jonah, will be the crochet Julius Deborah, will be the Chef Mahama. But the woman was so specific and emphatic. So on what they call Mahama. And what took you, man, what is it? What the man doesn't need this drama at this particular time. Because you're very used. And it will really affect him. Because I think a man paying for be a normal interview more about. Also on the old to about my DC because of can be a roller to be another cafe. Now Mahaman Krabi was saying what best said the can go for the road people. Look at that. Into a halo, Pahapa. Into so only penny will fear or two for. No, start running a map on social media. Media, I'm not going to respond again. My catcher. Into Opa Onko, over to the Bema. Ghana has a Rawi, a deal of the Ayamahama, Mr. Onko. Ghana has a super pack. But that is what you know. A deal of the Ayamahama, Onko. I mean, coming to what? Even if you are doing business, it will affect your business. Two, Obama be about one, not Usuru. What do you say? Three, a dime was here at Samano. Why should I broke one or what? Or near or dear deep papa. That wasn't very more reading your mentor. As far back as 2016, and an A+. And the two was more in general, no, how many times one another. In the end, many news, the movie, the Twitter, and answer, the Instagram, not the at all. I follow. And Walker. In the A+ young man, Fran Wapa, only first ticket is in Caspo Akukumasi. Wow, now between Tofie, Lakeside, what Tofie, and what is the go, what is here. At the restaurant, it will come at it. Nana Sideniana. Now, Sideni to be run no man. Now, you mean come over them. And you go catch a papa say, or baby, I see you say, wow, and you call yourself a celebrity? You call yourself a star? Ghana, and we are stooping so low. If these are celebrities in this country. And then I mean, I make movies. I don't even have time. You Ghana phone so many years. What movies in me the to see and the TV we are the airport. What you see? And they call themselves back. Hey, you better be able to come in my catch it all. Only a disaster. The so-called anybody who feels a celebrity will be disaster. Especially those in the movie industry. It's so disgusting. What is it? Now the beer member you say, oh, member you never start here come out and we'll see.
Then a buy antinra, a coba say beer, Ura John Dramani Mahama, Yenina, Yakai, Budoza, Sem, Brauco de Munia dear. Yeah, and they, and what could he say, Asemi, would one betumbina, were defending the former president.
Well, you know, whether he says he will use a bulldozer to kill an ant, the position a general. The trend in Yoma Echo Ghana, especially in the social media and the so-called celebrities in America. Now, I quoted the Bible, John 8, verse 1 to 11. Amara Pharisees, born in his scribes, you know. Eddie Obano call, yes, when him say, my boy Gamai, in seen a boy, as I had Moses law, no, the channel. Obisa, we will say, I'm a moon and I own your boneda. Who are when your bonini be that to Bobo or buy. So see me Tracey, the senior or Fabio. Sajani Tino Munilano, Ubiako, Naka Obama. So catching the go and see no more. Now, Niana Yesu Pachani said, Nipabiano, a war from so pay a bonnet anyway. But Ghana, it never be a year at Kochu. We need to address it once and for all in your politics. Unse enra, neye kandapa. And ne a John Mahama. Which I walk a black watch out to I would defend it to be you. It will be you. Indeed, I was saying, making sure say, Ghana 4 man or so, my command water. Now, in your man, when you are back or them one, we are sexa, a member evil. We keep quiet. Now, the Amodia Damano, the Biamu Gumember. Which said the member so. Estatia Casati send your mark Casa Ghana here. A man Gumbinia and when you grab the Akimana. That is the import of my Yamaka say. You know, also a celebrity, behave as such, so that people will emulate you. Now, Nyayake may defend it. He defended general. But what's their papa career for life? What's their career for life? So, share baby a running free back. Utie, Minyonko, Gloria, no, a can, Eka, any the now for Omunimo, a billion are caught out to pen. Next, I'm Papa, we, and your papa say no. Now, one more, ain't it a good enormity, and the timing is so wrong for Mahama. Because forever and ever we are going to discuss it. And you can be a campaign with Emma Mahama, and we knew Krakra of Bessa Lucy mercilessly. Kwamna voice book and star away comedy, or social media. You see, me bemu just because. If he say, can the party buy an airtime, the kind? And then Mahama the other airtime, the kind. Or tonight, they me, and I say, if we don't stop it now, time for the social media, but destroy will be our. By the time you are no crown, not ayabata. Now you see, some people don't have deep mind. We will say, air try to more retaliate by showing MP under. So be the under we are spending comb and a whole lot of trash. a whole lot of trash. And the Kenyans are defending Mahama. I'm defending the principle that it is wrong. The women talk too much. And the way they disgrace men quickly in this country, we have a lot to say. We, members, have a lot to say. So, Obama no bias sector. Obama has a lot to say. But we don't talk. We don't talk. A tiny corner and a mom, why? A group of animals, you see, and now most of it, I am, and I'm saying, Papa no, Papa no. More studio who be anchor. Bianca said, we are different. We can nip up them back to Ghana. I'll bet me a cousin. Now, I'm defending. I have 22 kids. And then I'm going to find this one, I put in the general, and yet it's only all year. Same thing will happen. So, be the fact, no, yes. It's about time we stop that. And yes, our members should begin to come out and tell their experience with women and see that this society, you're making a live. It is wrong.